In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email invoices from QuickBooks, making sure your accounting process runs smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to streamline your invoicing process, this guide will walk you through each step with ease and clarity. We start by accessing QuickBooks online. Open your preferred web browser and log into QuickBooks with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you're ready to navigate to the core areas where your invoicing magic happens. Next, locate and click on the Customers tab. This will take you to a list of your current customers. It's here that you'll find all the information related to your clients, including those you'll be sending invoices to. It's essential to keep your customer data organized and up to date to simplify this process in the future. Now, at this point, you're going to click on Create Invoice. This is an intuitive step where you're essentially opening a new invoice document. Filling out this invoice correctly is crucial as it will contain all the necessary details your customer needs to make a payment. One vital piece of information is the customer's email address. Click on the email field and type in the correct email address for your customer. Getting this part right is critical to ensure the invoice reaches the intended recipient without any hitches. Once the email address is keyed in, you'll need to enter the billing address. Clicking on billing address allows you to input or confirm the details necessary for your records and your client's records. This step helps avoid any potential confusion, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Now it's time to select the product or service you're invoicing for. Click on the product/service field and you'll be presented with a drop-down list of your offerings. Select the appropriate item and QuickBooks will fill in the details you've previously set, saving you time and minimizing errors. Create a letter invoice by typing a personalized message to accompany the invoice. This is your chance to communicate directly with your customer, so keep it concise and professional. You may want to thank them for their business or remind them of your terms and conditions. Finally, when you're satisfied with the contents of your invoice, click on Save and Send. This action not only saves all your hard work, but sends the invoice directly to your customer's email inbox. It's a seamless operation that ensures your invoice is dispatched promptly. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to emailing invoices from QuickBooks. By following these straightforward instructions, you can ensure that your invoicing process is both efficient and reliable, ultimately contributing to better financial management for your business.